Good morning, and thank you. I guess now it really is my turn. Good morning. It's a pleasure to be here in Beijing and to open this second session of the 17th U.S.-China Legal Exchange. This exchange has been the primary mechanism for our governments to promote the cooperation, to promote understanding on the critical issue of commercial rule of law, on the rules that form some of the basic infrastructure of trade and commerce between our countries. This exchange began in 1983. This is now, as you have heard, our 17th such exchange. It's the fourth time that I've had the opportunity to participate. The second time that we have come to China to conduct this exchange. 2 years ago, we had the opportunity to visit Hangzhou, Wuhan, and Chengdu. And last year, I had the honor to host our colleagues from China in San Francisco, in Denver, and Atlanta for our 2011 exchange. These form part of a broader discussion on issues of rule of law and of the issues of the impact of rule of law and legal issues on trade and commerce. So that this is now my 7th trip to China as the General Counsel of the Department of Commerce. The frequency of those trips reflects how central to the relationship of the United States and China is commerce and trade. And so how central that relationship is to the work of the Department of Commerce. It is central to the vision that President Obama and President Hu have articulated of a cooperative relationship based on mutual respect and mutual benefit. It's a pleasure to rejoin today my colleague, Deputy Trade Negotiator Chong Tuan. We have worked together not only on the commercial, on these legal exchanges, but on the commercial law working group under the JCCT, on IPR issues, and a number of issues in that U.S.-China relationship. I welcome his work on the leading group on IPR protection and his recognition, as you've heard today in his discussion of IPR-intensive industries, of China's future in research and development and the development of knowledge-intensive industries. His recognition that IP laws and IP protection are integral to China's economic development, to the development of those knowledge-based industries moving forward in the 21st century. The exchange that we have today is an opportunity to explore those issues. The great strength of the legal exchange is the opportunity for experts on both sides to engage with representatives from government, from business, from academic communities, and to travel to various cities to discuss the impact of commercial rule of law development. So today we present to this distinguished audience on issues that are important to commercial rule of law development in the digital economy of the 21st century. In these areas are in the enforcement of intellectual property rights, and particularly a focus on the new patent reforms in the United States, the America Invents Act, signed into law approximately a year ago. Also on trade secrets. And secondly, in the afternoon program on laws regulating emerging issues in e-commerce. You know, it's a special source of pleasure and pride to me that the Chinese side has asked to engage in these issues, because these issues have been at the center of my work as General Counsel of the Department of Commerce, and I'm pleased to have the opportunity to play a leadership role, both in patent reform, the development of privacy rules, cybersecurity rules for the Obama administration. These issues are critical to maintaining innovation, to maintaining the dynamic qualities of the Internet, of the digital economy that, as you will hear more today, as Vice Minister Chong alluded to, have been such drivers of the American economy. So you'll hear more about that this morning from two representatives, attorney advisors from the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, part of the Department of Commerce. Ms. Kitistri Sukhapindra will present to you on the America Invents Act. I think one of my proudest moments in the time that I've been at the Department of Commerce was about a year ago when President Obama signed into law the America Invents Act.